Now, eclipse of the moon is when the Earth casts its shadow on the surface of the moon. In other words, you have three objects that are aligned in a straight line. You know, you've got the sun, the Earth, and the moon. Okay? So now the sun, it shines on the Earth casts its shadow on the surface of the moon. Well, maybe 2-3 times a year. It depends which year you're in. It's not the full eclipse, the full lunar eclipse. It's just a partial lunar eclipse. In other words, we will see the shadow, you know, of the Earth on the moon itself. You know, it should become dim, but not all of it. Okay, and then as time goes on, then the shadow will just be moving away again from the surface of the moon. You get that point? So I would say it's a partial lunar eclipse that you are going to see on Monday. It's a very, very, very interesting one too. Not many countries are going to see that. You know, I'll tell you what. You know, it's very, very interesting to the astronomers, even astrophysicists, you know, just to observe this kind of thing. It has no religion at all, make no mistake. You get a point. But it tells us something. Remember that in the beginning, you know, the moon was pretty close to the Earth. I mean, it would fill the sky, the moon. You get a point. After the creation of the moon, you know. And as it stands now, it's somehow receding away from the Earth. Now that's very scary, because if it recedes, keeps on moving away from us, you know at what rate? About 4 centimeters per year. It recedes away from us. Now if you calculate in the next 600 million years, you know, things like the solar eclipse, you know, the lunar eclipse will be the things of the past. That's going to create another problem to the mankind, because the moon is the one that helps us to have 24 hours a day. You get a point. Now without the moon, the Earth is going to spin a little bit faster. Instead of taking 24 hours a day, it's going to take 6 hours to complete a day. Now that's quick. As on top of that, there's a study which shows that even its axis, it won't be stable. And if the axis, yes, if the axis is not stable, so it's going to wobble around like this. Now if it wobbles around like this, it's very much, there's a probability that it can really crack into pieces.